Good Tuesday morning, and we're waking up with some showers. Heads up. Not everyone is dealing with the rain. However, I'm going to zoom on and show you where the wet weather is at. We just had some rain in Coral Springs. Now everything's moving into Boca Lauderdale by the Sea is dealing with the rain, as well as Lazy Lake and Port Everglades, right around Fort Lauderdale Airport, where 95 meets I-75, as well as now some rain in Miami-Dade, which has been quiet so far, but that is now changing as we're seeing here a heavy downpour over North Miami Avenue approaching 441, as well as some showers around Bay Harbor Islands that will continue to push onshore. And we also had some heavy downpours earlier in Ocean Reef, now around Key Largo and Tavernier, as well as across parts of the lower Keys. We're seeing some showers near Key West, and you're going to want to just have your umbrella handy for the first half of the day, especially is when our rain chance will be highest. The winds are calm or light and variable right now, as you can see, and we are seeing some of these showers are slow movers, and they are just creeping to the north and west because the general flow is out of the east and southeast. So as we head in through 9 a.m., notice this model is forecasting the potential for a few downpours in Fort Lauderdale and right around Miami near the airport, and even through mid-morning still dealing with a few showers. But then the storms develop across the interior and march to the west, and the Gulf Coast is going to get soaked. And notice how as we get into late afternoon, evening, it's going to be quiet over on our side until we get into around 8 p.m. and then we could see some of those outflow boundaries, the storms that could backtrack and lead to some rain in spots going into later tonight. So there's a calm, quiet view from our Rusty Pelican camera. We're already seeing those spotty showers out there. There could be a few storms to start the day and highs in the upper 80s. If you're headed to the beach, the second half of the day is looking much better and drier with the UV index very high, a low risk of rip currents, and boaters, no advisories, wind southeast 5 knots, seas to a light chop on the bays, and boating conditions will start to deteriorate as we get into late tomorrow, especially Thursday, because the breeze will be building. So we'll likely see advisories and also a higher risk of rip currents at the beach because of that stronger easterly wind that'll develop. For tonight, a few showers, temperatures in the mid to upper 70s, more moisture around as we head into your Wednesday, especially Thursday, and then by Friday, which is the start of dry season, by the way, it looks like some drier air may make its way in. Keeping our fingers crossed. There are 2 areas in the tropics that are not threatening us, one near Hispaniola, one to the east of the Lesser Antilles. Both only have a low potential of cyclone development and are forecast to stay away from us. So passing storms the next few days with highs in the upper 80s.